We started it in 2006. It was a result of the old steam train which ran across the road. The old steam train actually gave out, the boiler gave out in it. So we came up with the idea with my mother of giving the steam train to the city and completely refurbishing it. So grew with a 100-foot building, which we call our station, and it's a replica of an old railroad station. The station houses a lot of different artifacts. We have our winter view donation from Craig Gutaw and his sister. Mr. and Mrs. Robert Rand have donated this brass replica of every Union Pacific engine that was ever built. The train that you're going to look at today is a 1959 Ottaway. It was made by the Ottaway Amusement Company of Wichita, Kansas. This one is a gas replica of a 1959 passenger train, which was supposed to be one of the fastest passenger trains in the world. We have restored it from a friend out of Chicago on loan with the idea that we can use it, and we have completely upgraded it. So with a lot of effort, like I say, from a lot of volunteers and with a push from the public, we brought back something from yesteryear that we think is not only educational, but it's a great tourist attraction. So Southwest Iowa we don't believe Southwest Iowa really has anything like this.